Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, let's see how to solve question 5 of NCERT book class 10, chapter number 4, Quadratic Equations, exercise 4.3. Okay. So the question is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80, okay, and area is 400 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth of the park. So here two things we'll have to find. One, if it is possible to design a rectangular park, number one, with the given condition as perimeter is 80 and the area is 400 meters square. If so, if it is possible, then we'll have to find what is a L and B. Okay. Now to solve this, and what is given here? The given here is the shape of the park is a rectangular one, and the perimeter is given and the area is given. Now, to solve the first part of the question, whether it is possible, now we'll have to find the discriminant of this equation. Okay, then after solving the discriminant, if you're going to get the value of x as a real and if the roots are real and if the roots are real, then we'll have to use the formula to get the value of L and B. If the roots are not real, that is after solving b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, if you're going to get a negative value, then this situation is not possible. So this question is very similar to question 3 and 4 of the same exercise. Okay. Now let's solve this one. Now let's write first what is given. So given as the area of the rectangular park is 400 meters square and the perimeter of the park is 80 meters. Now let's take the length of the park as x. Now what is breadth? Now we are going to write b, that is breadth, in terms of x. So for that we'll use this information, that is the perimeter. So it is given that perimeter of the park is rectangular park is 80. Now what is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B is a formula. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. Now we know that we have taken L as x. So 2 into x plus B, which is equal to 80. So to simplify this one, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. After dividing by 2, 2 will be cancelled. So I'll have just L plus B is equal to 80 divided by 2 will become 40. Now I want the value of B, right? So B is equal to, take x to the other side. So B is equal to 40 minus x. So my L value is x and B value is 40 minus x. This is the first part. Fine. So L is equal to what? So L is equal to x and B will be 40 minus x. Now next thing. Now how do I find the equation for this one? Because since I'll have to find the discriminant, I want the equation. Right? So for that, use the area formula. So area of the rectangular park is given as 400 meters square. Now, what is the formula for area of a rectangle? So that will be L into B. So L into B is equal to 400. Now L is x, okay, and B is 40 minus x, which is equal to 400. Let's solve this one. So x into 40 will be 40x. X into minus x will be minus x square, which is equal to 400. So bring this one to standard form. Now this will become minus x square plus 40x. Bringing 400 to this side, this will become minus 400 is equal to 0. Now I want to avoid minus coefficient for my x square. So what do? I'm just going to multiply the whole thing to minus 1 and this side also to minus 1. What I'm doing here, I'm just multiplying minus 1 on both sides to avoid this negative sign for the coefficient of x square. So minus 1 into x square will become a positive x square, then minus 40x, then plus 400, which is equal to, anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So now this is the equation which I've got. Now we'll have to first solve the first part of the question, see if it is possible. Now how to see? Now we'll have to find the discriminant of this one, of this equation. Let's compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now let's write first what is a. So a is equal to 1 here. B will be minus 40. And what is c? C will be positive 400. Now value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is negative 40. So negative 40 the whole square minus 4 into a will be 1 and c will be positive 400. So minus 400 the whole square will become positive 16,600 minus 4 into 1 will become 4. Again 4 into 400 will become 1,600. So d value will be 1,600 minus 1,600. So d value will become 0. So if d value is 0, what will be the nature of the roots? Since d value is equal to 0, the roots will be real and equal. So the roots will be real and equal. That is, you will have the same value of x. For example, 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, like that. Okay, so you'll have the roots will be real and equal roots. Now, how do I find now? The next step is now we know the situation is actually possible. Okay, now we'll have to find the value of x to find the dimensions of that is this rectangular part, which is L and B. Now, the formula will be x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now we know a as 40, b minus 40, and c is equal to 400. So now we are doing this one to find the L and B. So x is equal to b will be minus 40. So there is already a minus sign. So minus 40 plus minus. Now we know after solving b square minus 4ac is 0. The whole thing by 2 into 1. So value of x is equal to minus into minus 40 become positive 40 plus or minus root of 0 is 0 into 2. So now the two values of x will be. So now two values of x will be, one is 40 plus 0 by 2. And the other value will be 40 minus 0 by 2. So 40 plus 0 by 2, obviously 40 plus 0 will be 40 only. So 40 by 2 will become 20 now. Come on. 40 minus 0 is also again 40. 40 by 2 will become 20. So now the x value will have 20 and 20. Now since we know the x value is 20, now let's find what is x here. We have taken length of the rectangular part as x. So now we have got the answer for the length. So now we know length of the rectangular part, which is equal to x and which is equal to 20 meters. Now what is the breadth of the rectangular part, which is equal to, what is b here? So b is nothing but 40 minus x. So 40 minus 20, which is equal to 20 again. 20 meters. So the two answers are L will be equal to 20 and B will be equal to again 20 only. So this is the final answer. So length of the rectangular part will be 20 and the breadth of the rectangular part will also be equal to 20. Fine. Hope this video is clear and hope the answer and the explanation is clear. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.